You're supposed to enforce the law, but you broke the law. Oh, you're not allowed to touch my camera.
You're not allowed to come near my vehicle, so leave.
Your vehicle is illegally parked in a bus stop. You're not allowed to touch things that belong to me.
Really? What are you going to do with that?
Oh, you're going to see.
I'm not touching nothing. Yeah, what are you going to do with that?
All right, folks, so from now on, every Sunday night, we're going to bring you an OG Cop Watcher. On today's episode, we bring you Jimmy Justice. This guy used to go out and record in New York City and used to highlight the NYPD. Recording police is nothing new, folks. People have been doing it for a long time, but they didn't have big numbers like we do now. Many of you have not seen this before. Some of you have. The New York Police Department is nothing nice. They've been violating people's rights for a long time, and they're still doing it today. If you guys are out in New York City and you're recording police, let me know. I'd like to highlight your channels. We want to see more cop watchers and auditors out there. And if you have a favorite OG Cop Watcher that nobody talks about these days, let me know in the comment section. Next Sunday, we'll highlight his channel. Check out this video. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Let's get right to it, folks.
The name is Young.
How do you spell that?
Badge 5-3. Y-O-U-N-G.
Okay.
Badge 5-3.
Okay.
Title Sergeant. Okay?
Okay. Sergeant, are you allowed to park your official vehicle in a bus stop?
I didn't park there.
That's not your car over there in the bus stop?
No, it's not.
It's
I'm
a sanitation car.
Yeah, it is, but I'm not riding it.
All right.
I'm not driving that car.
Okay, if it's not yours, then I'm sorry for accusing you.
Oh, I'm not driving it.
But the person who did it, are they allowed to do that?
No, they're not supposed to park in the bus stop.
Why are you blocking your face? Are you embarrassed that you broke the law? Are you embarrassed that you broke the law?
I didn't break the law.
You parked in a bus stop.
Oh.
Agnon,
Agnon.
173.
Okay, you have a good day.
You broke the law.
Way so I can move my vehicle. Thank you very much.
You've been parked in a bus stop for 20 minutes. You broke the law. Look, the buses can't get through, can they? Because of you. You broke the law. What do you say about that, Agnoni? You broke the law. You just broke the law.
I broke the law.
You broke the law.
Really, sir?
You broke the law.
Sir, back up from my vehicle.
Why are you allowed to break the law?
Let me remove my vehicle.
You're supposed to enforce the law, but you broke the law. Oh, you're not allowed to touch my camera.
You're not allowed to come near my vehicle, so leave.
Your vehicle is illegally parked in a bus stop. You're not allowed to touch things that belong to me.
Really? What are you going to do with that?
Oh, you're going to see.
I'm not touching nothing. Yeah, what are you going to do with that?
Ooh.
Oh, Jets fan. Bye. Have a good day.
You know who I am?
Bye.
I'm Jimmy Justice. Why are you blocking your face? Are you embarrassed that you broke the law? You broke the law! You broke the law! What do you say about that?
Cops are always breaking the law, folks. They think they're above the law. But nobody, and I mean nobody, is supposed to be above the law. We oftentimes see them speeding with no emergency lights on, turning without signal lights, running stop signs and red lights, parking in red zones. Folks, get yourself some dash cams, record police committing traffic infractions, because that right there is police hypocrisy 101. They will ticket you for it, make you pay money to the state, but they themselves do the exact same things that they want to ticket you for. Keep watching.
Yeah, hide your face, you embarrassed criminal. You broke the law. You broke the law, and I have it all on videotape. What are you going to do about it? Yeah, hide your face. I already got your face on video. You broke the law. You broke the law.
Back up from my vehicle, thank you.
You broke the law, Agnoni.
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did. You broke the law. You parked your gasoline-fueled motored vehicle in a no-standing zone. It is a bus stop. You broke the law. You broke the law. Wah! I'm calling for backup. Wah! He has a camera. Oh, that's dangerous. I'm calling for backup. Wah! Wah! I'm calling for backup. Wah! You broke the law. 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 You're not getting out of this one so easy, babe. You broke the law. She broke the law. You broke the law. Miss Young, I let her know that she broke the law.
You have a right to. Bring your video, because you just proved it.
You broke the law. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. You broke the law.
They broke the law!
We haven't heard from Jimmy Justice in a long time. If you guys know where he's at, let me know in the comment section. What do you think it was like recording police way back when we didn't have hundreds of channels like we do today? It had to be nerve-wracking. I remember my first time recording police. I was nervous. I can't even lie. But I gotta tell you guys, recording police is an empowerment. Knowing your rights is an empowerment. Cops absolutely hate when you know your rights. So what happens when everybody knows their rights? Cops are gonna be running around like chickens with their heads cut off, not knowing what to do. They're gonna have to be retrained. Cops are being thrown out on the streets with a gun and a badge without even knowing that people have natural rights. How do I know this? You will not find one video on the internet where a cop is getting sworn in and he actually knows the oath that he's swearing to. All he's doing is repeating something that somebody else is reading to him. That is a crying shame, folks. Law enforcement should be embarrassed. From sea to shining sea, we keep asking cops if they know the First Amendment of the Constitution and they don't know it. Why do you think that is? Was this designed to be like this, folks? Cops are unlawfully arresting people all the time, filling up the courts. Now, I'm not saying they're not arresting bad guys. They do that too. That's what they're paid to do. We don't need to praise them. But they're also illegally arresting people for non-crimes. That right there, in my opinion, is the true definition of contempt of court. Many times we ask cops if they know the First Amendment and they don't know it. And because of that, we're going to teach you so that when you see a cop, you can teach a cop. You have the freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Keep in mind that the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, these amendments were not written to give you your rights. You were born with natural rights. These documents were written to limit the scope of authority that cops and government has over we the people. So it's time that we all stand up together. It doesn't matter if you're black or white, young or old, gay or straight, man or woman, rich or poor, pretty or ugly. Let's stand together, folks. Let's hold our government accountable. Let's make this country greater than it's ever been. If you lean left or right, whether your favorite color is red or blue, that doesn't matter to me. What matters is that you know your rights and you respect other people's rights as well. It doesn't matter if you agree with them or don't. As long as they're not hurting you, or kids especially, leave them be. All right, folks, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. And I'll drop Jimmy Justice's original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment for you guys. You can go over to his channel and binge watch some of his old videos. Always record the police, folks. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.